Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran. This video is powered by Still. I am Shruti Savaria and in today's video, let's discuss the recent news that is making headlines. On the evening of April 21, 2024, a significant fire erupted at the Ghazipur landfill site in the national capital of India. Officials attribute the cause to gas emitted from the landfill. Several residents have reported health concerns including breathing difficulties exacerbated by the landfill and smoke from the fire.
तो इसमें हमें वो तो है ही, पोल्यूशन तो है ही, आप समझ ही रहे हो। और क्या है, जो स्मेल्स भी हैं जो हमारी सेहत के लिए हानिकारक हो रही है। इस तरह की बीमारी तो हो ही रही है, उल्टी हो रही है, वोमिटिंग हो रही है, बैठा नहीं जा रहा घरों में, तो वो तो आप समझ ही सकती हैं कि भाई इस तरह से आप लोगों को फेस कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे।
The authorities have adopted a dual approach to extinguish the fire. Firstly, fire tenders and inert material are being used to put out the flames and the demolition of trash to smoother the fire. Approximately 600 metric tons of inert and construction and demolition waste were utilized for this purpose. 16 excavators, 2 bulldozers and 6 fire tenders were mobilized to tackle the blaze. Secondly, sprinklers were actively functioning to prevent the dispersion of dust or ash in the vicinity. In 2019, the Ghazipur landfill reached a height of 65 meters, just 8 meters shy of the Qutub Minar. In 2017, a section of the waste from the landfill collapsed onto a nearby road, resulting in the deaths of 2 individuals. The landfill experienced 3 fires incidents in 2022, with one blaze on March 28 lasting over 50 hours before being extinguished. A case has been filed at the Ghazipur police station against unidentified individuals under section 336 endangering the life or personal safety of others and 278 making the atmosphere noxious to the health of the Indian Penal Code. Delhi's Environment Minister Gopal Rai has instructed the Principal Secretary of Environment and Forest to furnish a report within 48 hours regarding the fire's cause. The directive mandates a thorough investigation into the fire's origin and prompt action taken by the different agencies to address. This move notes the government's commitments to ensuring accountability and swift response to environmental hazards. During the previous years, such fire incidents were also reported after visiting the sites. Rai has issued various directions to prevent such incidents in the future. Subsequently, the Environment Department issued some guidelines to various agencies involved to prevent and combat such incidents. A report be collected from all concerned regarding the compliance of such guidelines by all agencies as per the order. Rai also directed the Principal Secretary to include in the report comprehensive details about the fire's cause and the swift response efforts by the various organizations. Additionally, information on the department's summer action plan to prevent such incidents at all Delhi landfill sites are requested. That's all for today. This is Shruti Savaria. Stay tuned to Krishi Jagran for more.